Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well at your home and doing all the work which is given by the teachers. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, how much can you carry? Carry means होता है उठाना, कि आप कितना उठा सकते हैं. Now what is heavy? What is light? What is heavy? A thing which is difficult to lift or move. That is your heavy things. जो चीजें आप लिफ्ट मीन्स तो डिफिकल्टी होती है आपको उठाने में या मूव करने में, हिलाने में. That is your heavy things. Like elephant, you cannot move elephant easily or lift elephant. आप elephant को उठा नहीं सकते हो आसानी से, ना मूव कर सकते हो. Tree, ladder, okay, etc. etc. Here etc means etc means many more are there. These few example I have given here. means हैवी थिंग्स होती है भारी. हैवी का मीन्स होता है भारी, जो चीजें भारी होती हैं जिनको आप हिला नहीं सकते आसानी से. दैट इज योर हैवी थिंग्स. व्हाट इज लाइट? लाइट, LIGHT, लाइट. लाइट इज टू टाइप्स ऑफ लाइट इज देयर. एक का मीन्स होता है हल्की और दूसरी का मीन्स होता है विच यू गेट फ्रॉम सन, जो सन से आपको लाइट मिलती है. बट हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइट विच इज हल्की. इंग्लिश के वर्ड के हमेशा 2 मीनिंग होते हैं. So here we are talking about light which is हल्की. हल्की की बात करेंगे हम, भारी और हल्की चीजों के बारे में बात करेंगे in this lesson. A thing which is easy to carry or move, जो चीज आसानी से हम कैरी कर सकते हैं, उठा सकते हैं और मूव, हिला सकते हैं. That is your light things. For example, feather. First picture is of feather, a bottle of water, an eraser, etc. Many more are there. Few example I have given you. There are many. Now we'll study the text. How much can you carry? The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Clever means होता है चालाक, heavy means भारी, sack means a big bag, जिसको हम बोरी भी बोलते हैं. Sandesh has a donkey. There is a boy whose name. First we will go through this story. We will understand what is there is a story about heavy or light thing. So first we will go through this story, then we will move further. Now Sandesh has a donkey. It carries means uthana, carries sack full of salt on its back. Sandesh, he has a donkey. संदेश के पास एक डोंकी है. वो क्या करता है कि नमक की बोरियां उठाता है. Okay. On the way to the market, they have to cross a river. रास्ते में उनको क्या क्रॉस करनी पड़ती है? रिवर. रिवर मीन्स नदी. One day while crossing the river, the donkey slipped and fell into the river. One day what happened? While crossing the river, donkey slipped. Slipped means फिसल जाता है. Fell into the river. और किस में गिर जाता है? रिवर में. When it got up, the sack felt very light. When the donkey get up, when जब वो उठता है तो उसको क्या फील होता है कि सैक कैसे हो गए हैं? बहुत लाइट होते हैं. बिकॉज द सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. सॉल्ट क्या होता है? पानी में घुल जाता है. गेस व्हाई द सैक फेल्ट लाइटर? क्यों भाई, क्यों हल्के हो जाते हैं वो? बिकॉज द सॉल्ट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर. सॉल्ट क्या होता है? पानी में घुल जाता है. जैसे आप नींबू पानी बनाते हैं, जब उसमें सॉल्ट डालते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? डिसॉल्व हो जाता है, मिल जाता है. सेम. सो all the salt dissolve in water. वो पानी में सारा जो सॉल्ट था वो पानी में घुल गया और जो सैक हो गया वो लाइट. The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. और उसको क्या मिल गया? The donkey became very happy. बहुत खुश हो गया क्योंकि उसे अब भारी सामान नहीं उठाना पड़ा. This also gave it an idea and he got an idea. Next day, while crossing the river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. The next day, while crossing the river again, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. Now again he thought that I should take a dip so that I will not carry this much load on my back. उसने क्या सोचा कि मैं दोबारा से एक डिप ले लूंगा वाटर में और ये जो वेट है ये हल्का हो जाएगा. This time, Sandesh understood the donkey's trick. Now Sandesh understood his trick, and Sandesh thought, let me teach it a lesson. Then he thought that I will teach him a lesson. Next day, Sandesh put sack of woolen cloth in place of salt. Next time क्या किया संदेश ने? He put woolen clothes in place of salt, means instead of putting the salt he put woolen cloth. उसने क्या किया, salt को ना रख के उसने woolen cloth रख दिए, which you wear in winters, woolen clothes पहनते हैं आप winters में, तो वो उसने वे रख दिए. Now what would happen to the donkey when it dipped into the river and why? Means now what you, when we put cotton, first we will take a cotton and put it into the water, then when you take out the cotton you will feel that it is heavier. So same happened with the donkey. When he take a dip into the water, when he tried to get up, he couldn't get up because the weight became heavier. वो और भी ज्यादा बढ़ गया था, क्योंकि जब वुलन क्लोथ्स को आप वाटर में डालते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाते हैं, हैवी हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो सारा वाटर ऑब्जॉर्व कर लेते हैं, सोख लेते हैं. सो द लोड बिकम हैवियर, और लोड क्या हो गया, और ज्यादा बढ़ गया. एंड द डोंकी बिकेम सैड. नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. नाउ पेज नंबर 19. Raju wants to ride a seesaw. This is the picture of seesaw which you used to play in your school. Raju needs a friend to ride a seesaw. राजू को क्या चाहिए, एक फ्रेंड चाहिए सीसॉ पे खेलने के लिए, क्योंकि because you are not able to play it alone, आप इस पे अकेले नहीं खेल सकते, you need a partner. Rani comes to help Raju. रानी आती है और राजू को, this is in second picture you can see the picture of Rani. Rani comes to help Raju. Rani comes to help you. Then Rani comes to sit with Raju on the seesaw. But still Raju cannot ride it. But still he is not able to enjoy it. Why? Because the weight of the Raju is very heavy, because he is going down. Can you tell why? Circle the correct answer. Raju is heavier than Rani or Raju is lighter than Rani. अब इस पिक्चर को देख के आपको बताना है कि राजू, इन दिस पिक्चर राजू इज हैवियर देन रानी और राजू इज लाइटर देन रानी. यस, राजू इज heavier than Rani. Heavy है तभी तो वो नीचे गया ना. Next, Aslam comes to help them. Now, in third picture you can see the third boy, that is Aslam. Then Aslam comes to help them. Look at the picture. Can you tell why the seesaw turned this way? Now, can you please tell that why the seesaw turned like this way? Earlier, Raju was down. Now Raju is up, and Rani and Aslam is down. How? Raju is heavier than Rani and Aslam together, or Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam together? Raju Rani और Aslam से भारी है या Raju Rani और Aslam से हल्का है? Raju is lighter than Rani and Aslam. उन दोनों से हल्का हो गया वो. I have an idea. Let me keep my bag with me. But he thought, I have an idea. अब उसको एक आइडिया मिल गया कि मैं अपना बैग अपने पास रख लेता हूँ. We are all enjoying the ride now. They all are enjoying the ride because now the weight is equal. अब दोनों का weight कैसे हो गया? Equal हो गया, बराबर हो गया. Okay. Now moving to the page number 20. Today we will do till page number 20. Rest of the chapter page number we will do in my next lecture. Heavier or lighter? Which of the two things will make the seesaw go down? Look at the example. This is the example. This is melon. This is watermelon. Now, which is heavier? Watermelon. So, watermelon will go down. So, same we will do here also. Draw a line to match the heavier one. अब आपको line draw करनी है जो चीजें heavy हैं. Now, which is heavier in question number A? Pot, a bottle. Which is heavier? A pot. So we will take this pot here. B, 2 glasses of water or a jug? A jug. Next, C, a mug, a bucket, a bucket. So you will join like this. Next, color the one which is lighter. Here you have to color the one which is lighter. In question number A, there is a 2 picture. First is tennis ball, second is football. So which is lighter? Tennis ball. So you will color it here. आप यहाँ पे color करेंगे. Okay. Next, B, which is lighter? A school bag or geometry box? Geometry box. So you will color it here. आप इसको color करेंगे ऐसे. So today we will do till page number 20. So now I will tell you few examples. So now I am going to tell you few example of heavier or lighter. Okay. So first we will do heavy. Circle the object that is heavier. So in this first picture we will, two things are there. First, a bottle of glue and a leaf. So which is heavier? Bottle of glue. Next, table lamp or pen? Table lamp. Which is heavier? Stapler or pencil? Stapler. Football or cart? Which is heavier? Cart. Pigeon or dice? Pigeon. Key or whale? Whale. Now next, which one is lighter? अब इनमें से कौन सी हल्की है? We have to circle the thing which is lighter, जो हल्की है. Now leaf or tree? Leaf. Table or plate? Plate. Butterfly or elephant? Butterfly. Ketchup or balloon? Balloon. Ball or bat? Ball. Bad or rat? Rat. Thank you for watching this video.